What is up, guys? Hope you are all having a fantastic day. Brody here with a brand new video. If you watched my last video, I basically went over everything that I was going to be covering on the interior of my car. As I said, I am blacking out everything in it, getting rid of that blue finally. So I'm pretty excited to get all that stuff going here. Also showed you guys a couple of the parts that I already had. If you haven't watched that video, definitely go check it out first. I mentioned that in the next video, I would be showing you guys the seats that I had purchased, as well the carpet. Well, both of those things I have received. I got the carpet that I ordered on eBay. Condition of it is even better than what I expected. Maybe just a tiny little bit of cleaning, but for the most part, it is perfect. And the seats, I could not be more pumped on the seats. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I posted a picture of the seats just the other day. So if you don't follow me, definitely go do that. As for the seats, I really could not be more excited. They are absolutely everything I ever wanted. I actually almost pulled the trigger a couple times on some other seats, and I'm really happy I waited it out and went with these ones. I spent a little bit more money on them, of course, but in the end, it's definitely worth it. So I'm gonna go show you guys the seats right now and the carpet. I am so pumped to get these in the car. I'm really excited to see your guys' opinion too. They are gonna look sick with the rest of the interior. Honestly, the seats I think are like that last finishing piece. They were the last main piece that I really needed to complete the whole interior. Also, like I said, if you haven't seen the last video, I went over and showed you guys my new STI limited door cards that I got for the car. As well, I showed you these new rear seats. In the last video, they were pretty dirty, so I went ahead and I cleaned them with some carpet and upholstery cleaner, and it did an amazing job. They honestly look brand new, and they, to be honest, they smell amazing as well. And I think I paid like 40 bucks for the seats, so I really could not be more happy with how those turned out. You ready? Here we go. My brand new Bride ZETA III bucket seats. I could not be more happy. I actually ended up picking these up secondhand from a shop here in town. They actually came out of the guy's Evo, and it was pretty much a show car, and I think he had them in his car for all of a year, so they are absolutely mint condition. Like, they could not be more perfect. As you can see, they do have the black Bride logo up the middle. On both, as you can see. But like I said, they look absolutely brand new. There's not a single wear mark or tear on them. So I really could not be more happy. These were also the XLs. I'm about a 34 waist, so I could have fit in a smaller seat. At the end of the day, this is not a track car. It's a street car. The odd day that I might take it to the track, they will be perfect. And as a street car, I want people to be able to fit into my car still, so people who have a bigger waist size. But honestly, I've sat in them and they feel absolutely perfect. Here you can just see the back. They got the logos on the back of the headrest. But yeah, I could honestly not be more happy with these seats. I also got them on the Bride rails. I don't know if you can really tell there, but I went with the Bride rails. I figured if you're gonna get a solid seat, you might as well get a solid pair of rails. At the end of the day, those are the things that are gonna be holding you to the car, so might as well not cheap out with that sort of thing. They are so sweet, and they're gonna look so good in the car with the rest of the black interior. So just so you guys can get an idea for how these seats fit, again, these are the type XLs. I'm about a 34 waist, and I'm about 6'2". So just so you guys can kind of get a feel for just how they fit. Like I said, normally bucket seats, if you're using them on the track, they're gonna hug you pretty tight. They're going to be squeezing your legs together and squeezing at your hips. So they are pretty tight, and because my car is just a street car, I wanted to ensure that they were still comfortable. Every time I jumped in my car, I didn't want to feel like they were too tight. Even though I know for track use, that is what they should be like. Also, I wanted bigger passengers to still be able to fit in my car. I don't want them obviously like pushing the bolsters out just because they don't actually fit in the seats properly. So that is why not only was this my only choice, but I actually got lucky because I was looking for a seat in this size. But anyways, just so you can kind of see how they fit, I have room still on the side of my legs just a bit, hardly anything, but enough where I can squeeze my hand down. So they're honestly perfect. Like the bolsters will just keep you locked in place. On my back, they're just hugging the sides, where I can still move my upper body a little bit. However, I know when it comes time to making corners and everything in my car, it is going to keep me so planted compared to stock, especially compared to the stock STI seats, because those have practically zero bolstering whatsoever. So I'm definitely pretty excited to see how these are going to feel in my car. Headrest is perfect. Me being a little bit taller than average, like I said, I'm around 6'2". My head is just at the top of the headrest. But yeah, no, overall, the fitment of these seats is incredible. They are super comfortable. I'm getting really excited to toss these in the car. Now, lastly is the carpet. I actually just grabbed my flashlight just to kind of, it's a little bit dark when it's so black, you can't really see much details. But overall, see if this will work here. Overall, the carpet is like near perfect condition. Of course, there's a little bit of what looks like just like dirty footprints. For the most part, it is absolutely mint. It's actually way better than even I thought it was going to be. And like I said, I actually purchased this through eBay. But overall, they sent it actually just in this box here. And it didn't leave any wrinkles or anything. So just came out nice, and I've had it sitting here overnight. But man, overall, I could not have asked for anything better. For the most part, this video, I really just wanted to show you the new seats and the carpet, because like I said, I did not have those in my previous video when I went over everything that I was going to be doing in this interior makeover project. So yeah, that's really all I wanted to cover in this video. The next video, and I'm actually going to be filming that as well tonight, is I'm going to start ripping out the interior. So I'm going to be taking out everything in order to get at the carpet, because that being at the bottom of my car is going to be the first piece that I'll need to replace. So tonight I'm going to start with the carpet. If I get further, awesome. If not, we'll keep going from there. This whole interior project I am going to be filming and showing you guys step by step how I take the carpet out. I want to basically make these videos so if anyone else there wants to do something similar, even if you have a different car, you don't have a Subaru, it really shouldn't matter. I mean, certain things are going to be car specific, but when it comes time to painting the trim or wrapping my headliner, those kind of things are stuff that anyone can do, doesn't matter what kind of car you have. So if you haven't subscribed, definitely do so you can stay tuned and kind of track the progress. And yeah, in the next video, like I said, I'm going to be starting to install everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's probably brief. I don't know how long this is going to end up working out to, but I don't think it's going to end up being too long. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are excited to see these new seats in my car. I cannot wait to get these in. And like I said before, if you guys have not subscribed already, definitely do so. If you enjoyed this video, definitely smash that like button. That'd be greatly appreciated. This car's interior is about to start looking a whole lot better. But anyways, have a great rest of your day, guys, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take it easy.